Why is the project management still time-consuming and inefficient? Are you still constantly updating spreadsheets, downing appointments, and attending weekly update meetings? It's a waste of time and effort. There's more than enough project management software to help you stay on top of every project. This video has compiled the best services from the top project management software category. So pay attention, we're getting started.
What is Clockify? Logging work hours across projects and overseeing progress is simple with Clockify. There are no limits on the number of users, projects, or time tracking periods. Invite an infinite number of users to your workspace, approve timesheets and manage schedules. Create invoices, track expenses and share them with clients. Track leaves and holidays and approve time off for employees. Best for freelancers, consultants, remote workers, small and medium businesses, digital agencies, NGOs, universities and enterprises. Pricing details. Free plans allow you unlimited users, projects and tracking. If you need advanced features, you can upgrade to basic for administration features, standard for timesheeting and billing features, pro for cost and productivity features, and enterprise for advanced security features. Pros. It's been super helpful to keep myself focused and devote the time I should take each week to each project. It was free and straightforward to sign. I love that you can use it on the go with the app as well, which has been great during this past year with the pandemic going on. Overall, it's pretty good, and I'm sure it will be great with tweaks in the future. You can do all the calculations within the app, which helps with billing and invoicing. Best of all, the basic features you need are all included in its free version. Cons. The time of lost hours are gone. I have a clear overview, know how much time I spend on each project with a couple of clicks, and even know what my client has to be charged. I didn't use it then, but when our time tracking software turned into a frustrating mess of lost time entries, slow loading, and miscalculated weekly times, I gave it a shot. For me, the only downsides have occurred after user error. If you forget to start or stop the timer, it's rather difficult to edit your time within the app. We create a web software for a living, and we were so confused by much of the reporting that we couldn't determine what accurate numbers would be. What is Monday.com? This all-in-one software solution allows you to build your team's perfect collaboration tools from simple tasks to complex portfolios. Then integrate your other tools, visualize data in Calendar, Gantt, or Kanban views, and automate your manual processes. Best for many big, small, and cross-functional teams exist in various industries worldwide. Its intuitive interface and customization capabilities make it suitable for any project and business. Pricing details. Monday.com offers a free forever plan for up to 2 seats, after which pricing scales based on the number of seats and functionality needed. Paid plans start at $10 per seat per month, are billed monthly for the basic plan, and include a minimum of 3 chairs. Other methods are outlined below. Basic strategy, starting at $10 a seat per month, billed annually, or $8 per seat per month when billed annually. Billed monthly, or $8 per seat per month when billed annually. Standard plan, starting at $12 per seat per month billed monthly, or $10 per seat per month when billed annually. Pros. I love the automation and the ease of collaborating across boards and tasks. Customizing automatic movement of items and notifications has been great. I like this platform because this platform could help me organize our project. It is easy for me to track the progress of every project I am working on. A great software that enables us to be happy individuals in business life. Easy to use, flexible and functional, a product with excellent service. It is a perfect tool that makes our work extremely easy. There are many features in this great software. I feel the drag and drop feature is the best. Cons. I don't like the info boxes feature because I feel it's limited. Textures are tight, and there is minimal text formatting, and the fact all boxes are collapsed by default. This was a pain, and eventually I stopped attempting to work around the lack of features I needed. Some of the metrics or fields that I need to be on the report is missing, and no possible way to include it in the report as the customization of the report is not flexible enough. The layout is confusing and hard to follow the chain of events in each task. What is Freshdesk? Freshdesk is a cloud-based help desk system that offers robust solutions for customer service. It unifies emails, phone, chat, and social conversations and helps resolve issues across channels. It's used by over 50,000 customers, including Bridgestone, HP, Harvard University, and DHL. Best 4. Businesses of all sizes across the world trust Freshdesk to provide remarkable customer service. Pricing details. Freshdesk is priced per support agent per month and has 4 different plans. Free, $0, unlimited free agents. Growth, $18 per agent per month billed monthly or $15 per agent per month billed yearly. Pro, $47 per agent per month billed monthly or $39 per agent per month billed yearly. Enterprise, $83 per agent per month billed monthly or $69 per agent per month billed yearly. Pros: the ability to allow multiple people to work in different issues from one email and allow work to progress and float at an astounding rate is life-saving. Overall, we are very pleased with Freshdesk as a ticketing solution. All of the features that we need are there and work excellent. Overall, from my personal experience and after talking to my colleagues, I believe Freshdesk is one of the best, if not the best, complete solutions out there. Freshdesk is an amazing tool for customer service and following up with clients' needs. It allows the team to take care of the issues that our clients encounter efficiently. Cons: see freshdesk.com help desk features for the real breakdown. Freshdesk has no links to that page, and you'll only get it if you ask about a missing feature in their support portal. The number of features missing from a standard inbox is disappointing. Such things as being able to send to multiple recipients, saving drafts, and the search function. Tools are inefficient, and people with minimal CSX experience build their automation tools. Everything needs to be hacked somehow. This means tickets sometimes get lost, and following a ticket doesn't support me much. Also, tickets can get lost when transferred to another team. What is Microsoft Visual Studio? App and game development platform enables businesses to develop, edit, and test apps using tools and techniques. Best 4. Audio-visual content development solution for small to mid-sized businesses enables them to create apps and games for Android, iOS, Mac, Windows, web, and cloud-based platforms. Pricing details. Free for the first 5 users. €14.90 per month for additional users. Pros: Smart Autocomplete is super powerful and saves a lot of time. It contains a multitude of extensions that can concretely help you. Having the ability to import images to reflect network hardware while making the wiring connections is great. Zapping in from micro to macro views is fantastic when needed. It's a great Windows IDE and has been improved a lot since the start of LTS features on Windows. It has lots of features and is very easy and beautiful to look at. It helps to develop and deploy all my applications and services faster with the best quality. Cons: when publishing, databases and errors occur, the logs are poor and make it hard to find the problems. Sometimes error codes are difficult to find out the real reason for it. As is with a lot of other Microsoft products, fatal errors do happen without a documented or known reason. Modules and plugins may not work due to the insufficient permissions, which can be frustrating, particularly as it's not readily apparent. The newer versions do not always have an offline installer, and it's a pain to download the app again onto a new PC. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet, an online work execution platform, empowers organizations to plan, track, automate, and report on work. Over 80,000 brands rely on Smartsheet for the project and work management because of its easy-to-use interface, real-time Gantt charts, dashboards, and work automation features. 2018 Awards: named a leader in enterprise collaborative work management by Forrester Research, selected to Deloitte's Fast 500 list, recognized for technology, innovation, and vision by 451 Research. Best 4. Smartsheet's intuitive online project management app is used broadly across organizations to track and manage diverse types of work for teams large and small, from enterprise companies to SMBs. Pricing details. Plans start at $7 a month. Pricing is per user per month. The rates shown are when paid annually. Nonprofits, schools, government agencies receive additional discounts on annual plans. Pros: the ability to create robust communication plans was probably the most impactful feature. Creating forms and applying easy workflows is also a great addition. The speed at which they improve the platform with new functions and features is beyond amazing. We keep sheets and can utilize form to capture needed data onto a spreadsheet. It's been a great asset and a great tool. Automation and collaboration are among the most useful features I like about Smartsheet. Forms is another great feature I love using. Cons. I can't say there is anything I dislike about Smartsheet. It is limited only based on how it can't support overly specific documents that align with overly specific projects. It's also sometimes difficult to tell where user error plays a role in mathematic mistakes. I'd like to see more effort put into these areas. Gets frustrating going back and hiding 20 columns again afterward. I miss the overall definition of project, which makes it more difficult to group sheets that belong to the same project and to get an overall view on all our running projects.